your aloha. Okay? So every one of you has a kuleana. And I talk about this, kuleana's responsibility to this organization. You are here to support them. Should they have pilikia, you are here to pick them up. Spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally. That's your kuleana. Today, before today, I asked Keith to make sure that there were tea leaves that stand as guardians besides the doorways, the entryways. So I'll give you a little bit of rundown of what's here. So the tea leaves we refer to as our ancestors. Tea leaves never give us seeds. So we cannot propagate them by seeds. And if anytime you see tea leaf somewhere growing, the bird has not dropped the tea leaf or a seed. Evolution has it that tea leaves need the human hand to be planted. This is the one plant that binds us all in Polynesia. They stand as our guardians, they stand as our spiritual kupuna. They have multiple purposes, from anything from cooking, consumption, to keeping us warm in capes, spirituality, in healing, and even to be able to eat the root. The old Hawaiians used to imu the root, and it would be some kind of sweet, candy-like taste. Later on, of course, a drink was made out of the tea root. But however, the tea is our spirituality, much like the maile, our native plants. The native plants can grow together. That's like us here. We all grow together as one people. Native plants always thrive better when they're together. The maile symbolizes the great chiefs of Hawaii, and the very clear thing for me today was that I was coming to Pauahi Tower. Now, what you all do in here is educational, much like Princess Pauahi, who saw that education was a way to provide safeguards for children in the future. So Princess Pauahi is likened to the benevolent goddess known as Kaiona, who lives out in the Ka'ala mountain range. Kaiona was a very kind goddess. When people got lost in her forest, Kaiona would call upon her friends, the Eva birds, because it said that Kaiona was sight challenged. She would call the Eva birds to come and help lost wanderers to safety. Much like what you do with analytics, try to help people guide their way through information or collected information. It's pretty much all tied together as we keep talking and we understand. We will bless the entryway with the blowing of the conch shell. The conch shell provides us the call to the divine to come, to bless this entryway. For all who enter and all who depart, that nothing but goodness comes and goes. Aloha is a gift that has been bestowed upon all of us, a gift from our kupuna. It is an action, not a reaction. Aloha stands for akahai, to be unpretentious. L, for lokahi, to have unity within yourselves and within the community. The O stands for olu olu, to be kind in thoughts, for your actions are certainly your thoughts. The H stands for ha'a, to be humble. The A, the last A stands for ahonui. That means to have patience and willing to work at any given time for the benefit and the good of others. Let's just bow our heads and thoughts. E kia kua, we ask that you provide us great strength, knowledge, wisdom, courage to continue on through our life's course, not only in business, but within ourselves, within our families, within our communities. That we do your great work and to always care of others. We ask that you bless the working hands of this wonderful company and this organization to provide good works to their fellow business people. Not only that, but also to give them strength so that they too can care for their families. For as we all know that we must do the best we can for the greater good of others. We ask that you take us home safely, bring us back to work in safety as well, and that you keep our families strong no matter what may come our way. We do this as a family through your great goodness here on earth and in heaven. So the two gentlemen who are in charge here, you now take off the mic. Who's there? Dolisha.